Hey guys, what's up? It's Kaylin and I am back with another video, and today's video is going to be showing you guys how I went from this crusty dusty mess of hair to this good old man bun that I have right here. Okay, so typically I do this man bun situation here right before I am getting ready to wash my hair, so like a couple of days before, just to get it up out of my face and to put it up, and because it's cute in pictures, whatever. But I was super lit when my hair got like this length, because beforehand it was definitely a struggle bun, but now my hair still, even up here, comes down here to my chin. So I am living for it. I am so happy that my hair is this long. Like, it's a pain to wash, but I definitely love the fact that I can put my hair in a good old man bun, and it just, I don't know, it's a different look, it's a different aesthetic. And you know, I don't do a whole bunch with my hair, so this is one of the few things I do to my hair that I'm just like, I really like it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I got this. It's super easy, it's super quick, and I typically do it before I wash my hair, but you don't necessarily have to do that. You can just put your hair straight out of wash and go and put it straight up here, whatever you want. Whatever your hair, whatever you have time for, you do that. But after I do this, I have to wash my hair because I put so much Eco Style in here, which you will see later. But after that, I have to wash my hair. I cannot just go back to regular style. So yes, enough of me talking. You guys know what to do. You need to subscribe and also follow me on all of my social media platforms so you can see me on a daily basis, and hit the notification bell so you can see all my weekly videos, because I am trying to get better at a schedule. I haven't set up some regular days. At first I thought Wednesday and Friday, but we're just gonna say videos every week. So you will have videos every week. So if you want to see those, make sure you hit the notification bell so you can see my videos. Okay? Without further ado, let's just jump right into this tutorial. Typically I start with an old wash and go. So this right here has been for about maybe 8 days. I'd say 8 days. It's about 8-day-old hair, and it is just tired. It is not what I need it to be. So what we're going to first do is we're going to get our supplies. So what you're going to need is to first start out with a spray bottle. So typically I get a spray bottle because it's just easier to do. You can saturate your hair if you want to. I don't necessarily want to do all of that. I just spray all around the perimeter of my head and get that pretty much saturated. You want to make sure that the perimeter of your head is saturated, because once you put this Eco Styler in, that's the way that it's going to lay flat. So after you spray the water all the way around your head, you're gonna get your Eco Styler gel and you are going to rub it in between your hands. So I take a decent amount of Eco Styler, put it in my hand. You can always use more or less depending on your hair texture, but I just kind of start out with a little bit and then gradually increase it to get it to the desired look that I want. And so after I spread it all the way through my hair, I just evenly distribute it all the way around the perimeter of my head that I just got saturated, and make sure that it's evenly distributed. You don't want clumps of Eco Styler in your hair, because that's just not cute. Next, I'm going to get my brush, and then I'm going to use that to smooth this into my hair, because you don't want it just sitting on top of your hair. You want to have it smooth all the way through and all the way around the perimeter. Then I'm going to be taking my little string that I showed you, and I'm going to be getting that securely in the back of my head. I start from the back. I used to start from the front, but it would just always get really loose, and because the front of my head is obviously what you see the most of, it just would look stupid. So I start from the back and I get it pretty much even in the middle of my head, and then I tie it around. Once I get it tied around, almost like you're about to like tie a knot, but you don't tie the knot. You just take it, switch the hands, and then tighten it. As you can see here, I'm probably not explaining it the best, but you guys get the picture for the video, whatever. Tie it, you're gonna make sure that it's super tight, but not like tight to where you're about to rip out your edges, but just tight enough to where it's secured. And then wrap it around and just tuck it in. I choose black strings. Some people do shoestrings. I do black strings just because I want it to blend in with my head, and because I don't have a huge puff, I want it to still be able to hide up under there, because if I had like a big old shoestring, you would definitely be able to see a white shoestring, which would be weird. So that's why I'm using the black string, just because it blends in. But yeah, and then once you're done with that, you're just going to fluff out your little puff to your desired look. You can also go in and get some Eco Styler and just accent the curls and make sure that they are still popping up there depending on your hair type, like I said. And then you are pretty much done. Okay guys, see, that was super simple. It was super simple, super fast, super quick. Like I said, I do this right before I wash my hair. So after I wear this for about a day or two, it's pretty much done, and I'm just gonna wash my hair, which is what I'm actually gonna be doing today, because I did this just for the tutorial, and now I'm going to be washing my hair. So yeah, how Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, if you want more tutorial style videos or if you want product review style videos, let me know in the comments what you guys want to see, because I want to make sure that you guys are getting what you want to see. And all that said and done, don't forget to like and subscribe, because it helps me so much. And you guys have been doing so well at that. Like, you guys have literally been coming through. I don't be posting videos for a month at a time, and y'all still be coming in and subscribing. So for that, I thank you guys so much. Well, I will see you guys in my next video. Okie dokie. All right, peace out. Bye.